Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to get verified account on TikTok. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Before getting started, make sure to update your TikTok application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. In order to get verified account on TikTok, you must switch your private account into professional account. So first of all, let me show you how you can change your TikTok account into professional account. So first of all, open up your TikTok application. As you open up your TikTok application, this kind of interface appears on your device. So over here, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. And after that, tap on the try bar icon in the top right corner. And once you tap on it, from the drop down menu, tap on settings and privacy. So as you tap on manage account, there are a list of options. So from here, you'll have to tap on switch to business account. So once you tap on it, on the other page there is an update, so make sure to go through it, and once you're done, tap on next. Next page, you'll have to select your category, so tap on any one of these following options that you are interested in, and after that, tap on next. You can see right in center there's a pop-up, and here it says that my account has been switched to business account. Now tap on skip this. So once you're done switching your account into business account, so next take a screenshot, so you'll be needing that later on. So once you're done taking a screenshot, next tap on the try bar icon once again in the top right corner. Do the same thing, tap on settings and privacy from the drop down menu. Next page you have a settings and privacy, then scroll down and then look for support and about. So under support and about, you'll have to tap on report a problem. So next page there are multiple results, so you'll not be needing all of these. All you have to do is tap on the clipboard icon in the top right corner. Next page, do the same thing, tap on the clipboard icon in the top right corner. Now you'll have to submit a report. So then type in your report. So you can just simply copy paste this. So you can see that I've typed in my report. So here it says that, dear TikTok, I have a very face value and I'm a social content creator. It would be very nice if I can get a verified account. Now under it, you'll have to provide your username, so make sure to enter the correct username that is associated with your TikTok account. And once you're done typing in your request, what you have to do next is that, remember that we took a screenshot just before, so you can even submit that as well. Just tap on the icon which is in the lower left corner. So once you do that, on the other page, all the images that is stored on your gallery will load. So from here, you'll have to select the screenshot that you took recently. And once you're done selecting, tap on OK. In case if you have more files, then you can add that as well. So once you're done, make sure to go through it once again and then tap on submit, which is right at the bottom. You can see that my feedback has been submitted. All I have to do is wait for the customer service to contact me and TikTok to verify my account. So this process might take some time, so wait patiently. So that is all. So that is how you can get verified account on TikTok. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.